morning, players. Human skid mark, human skid mark, human skid mark. I declare, honey, you're re-damn ridiculous and a hot boo-boo shitty mess. The fall from grace for human skid mark has been like a speeding out of control train. And eventually that mug is going to crash right into prison. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat, honey, because human skid mark is once again being sued for unpaid legal fees, just like Frumpy to the motherfucking dump didn't pay him. So yesterday, human skid mark's attorneys filed a lawsuit against him, alleging that he owes nearly $1.4 million in outstanding legal fees. I declare, it's a disgrace. Robert Castillo filed the lawsuit in New York State Court, claiming human skid mark actually agreed to pay over $1.5 million in legal fees to the firm, but has only paid a total of $214,000. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it a stack with you. I don't feel sorry for Robert Castillo or any attorney that decides to represent human skid mark or represent Frumpy Dump. They know they don't pay their legal fees. They don't pay their bills. So Robert Castillo and his firm has represented human skid mark on numerous occasions. I can remember him issuing several statements on loose leaf paper on human skid mark's behalf. They say that they represented him in the investigations from both Congress and Special Counsel Jack Smith, and also into District Attorney Willis' investigation into an alleged scheme to overturn election results in Georgia. So in addition to them representing him on criminal cases, they have also represented him in defamation lawsuits. We have the ones by Dominion and Smartmatic, and also from the election workers, Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, that human skid mark lost that one, and basically a default judgment was entered because human skid mark failed to provide the evidence for discovery. Now, earlier in September, Frumpy Dump actually hosted a fundraising event for human skid mark Giuliani. They were charging $100,000 per ticket to attend that private event. And according to reports, only 10 people showed up, but still, that's a pretty significant amount of money. What did human skid mark do with the money, or was it even given to human skid mark? Because not even a month later, we have his attorneys filing a lawsuit alleging that they have not been paid. So let's just take stock of this situation. Human skid mark Giuliani devoted his life to Frumpy Dump, providing legal services for him regarding the election fraud and other things. According to reports, Frumpy Dump did not pay him for that legal representation, allegedly. Now, human skid mark Giuliani is facing several lawsuits and criminal charges based on the representation that he gave Frumpy Dump. Frumpy Dump, instead of paying human skid mark, decides to hold a fundraiser for him. And according to reports, 10 people showed up, so that would be $1 million. But not even a month later, human skid mark Giuliani is still being sued for unpaid legal fees. Make it make sense, because it never will. And I'm going to keep it a stack with you. I don't feel sorry for human skid mark Giuliani, and I don't feel sorry for his attorneys. They should have never represented him for this long without being paid. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mother for the Black Accurate News.